What's up, CJ Culture Gang? We're back. You know what? I'm gonna change that. We're sliding with another video. Ooh. See? Nah. We're here to drop another banger. Fuck it. We're here to drop another banger, and today is the unboxing video for the jewelry company that sponsored me. So, go ahead.
I was waiting. See, I was patient.
You
I was patient.
Fiending.
I was patient.
Like, this is not even your video.
Alright, bro. I'm in the video, though, right?
Alright,
bro. I'm saying I gotta fix my cell phone. I'm saying,
bro.
I can't, bro. I have to look good for Smooth Nation. Wow, right now.
Smooth Nation.
We smooth with it. The whole nation, bro. Taking over. We taking over, kids.
Ah!
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Smooth Ash. And the spot. Don't make it hot nonsense. I'm about to look bling, 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 bling.
Okay, so the video today, you already know it's the unboxing video. I've been waiting for this for a minute. What happened, I didn't do the video sooner, was because the post office came, they dropped the pink slip saying I missed the delivery, but
it wasn't pink.
To knock them. I'm pretty sure it was pink. They called it the pink slip, but whatever.
It wasn't pink.
So I got the package. I needed to make sure it was the package because I have another unboxing video. But I have the package, and the package is here. I don't want to show my address. The package is here.
What the fuck was that? I'm sorry.
Here, and we're going to unbox this baby.
Do it! Just do it!
Sir, the address show. I don't know the address to show. So I had to open it to make sure it was it, but I didn't look to see what's in there yet. So you're going to do it with me today. So let's get to it. We got the box open. I don't want to show no knife, so we don't make anything crazy. So we got the box open.
Pick it up.
Pick it up. Shit up. So it's here. It is here. Okay.
Yo, bro. Yo, bro.
Do it!
Look,
Stop.
bro.
Stop.
Look.
I'm not looking.
Yo,
There's
bro,
nothing, bro.
How you know if you're not looking, bro?
So we're about to get a close up of what's in this box.
Wow.
Stop. So this video is sponsored by the company name Zenchi. Their logo will appear right here, their Instagram right here. And they sent me some nice jewelry. And you know, all iced out, like everything in it is iced out. Yeah. So they sent me this all iced out. I think I was supposed to get like a chain and a ring. Yeah. But my pendant is coming soon, so don't worry about it. So this is the box. The box is nice. So I'm pretty sure it'll open this way. So open box. What is in the box? Zenchi card. That's a debit card, bro. It's not a debit card, bro. I can't guess. We can't buy me something. No. We have a Zenchi warranty card. So I'm guessing.
But don't put your number, bro. You're wild.
What?
It doesn't have a number. It's just a card. We have this card here. Then we have the Senchi dust bag with everything in it. Right. So
That's sweet,
since
bro.
this was like a sponsored video, I'm guessing they just sent everything in one package, but the packaging is nice though. Like this has like an extra padding inside. So time to get to the products. Put this aside now. Should we start with the chain first? Yeah, I'll start with the chain. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bro, that hurt, bro.
Stop touching shit.
You wildin' right now.
This is the rope chain. Gold. 24K. Yeah, bro, it's certified too.
Stop playing.
Look, certified. It's certified. I don't think I definitely won't be able to see, but this is a rope chain.
I can't get it.
I think I said 32 centimeters or something.
What, bro?
Yeah, cause like there's a.
That looks like 20.
You don't know what you're
24
jacking.
inches.
This is like the one I have. One is 34.
Bro, I can't get that, bro.
No,
Why I can't have it?
because I said no.
You can't buy me.
No. This is the rope chain, and I'm guessing like
Man, racist.
right. This is the rope chain. I'll be trying it on after I come out with the ring. So this is the rope chain and the ring, which is a diamond ring, right? I got it on my size. I hope it's my size. I forgot how they call it. I'll be putting the name up on the screen. So this is the ring. Like, bro, like the camera is not making this any justification, bro. Take out your flash, bro. Put your flash on.
My flash, bro. You wanna see my flash, bro?
This is what the ring looks like. Like, bro. Like, I'm looking at this thing and it's like, it's flashy, bro. And this is what the ring looks like.
Bro, put on your pinky, bro.
I'll just try the other finger.
Okay.
We're gonna cut that out. Because this hand is better. This is the other ring. This is what the ring looks like. I hope the camera could just focus for a minute.
Can't focus on the ice, bro.
Yeah, so this is what the ring looks like. I hope it's not getting stuck on my finger. But yeah, this is the ring. This is dope, bro. Like, bro, stop, son.
Bro,
Stop.
What's up with you, bro? You're wilding right now.
So this is the Senchi ring. I'll be putting probably the link,
I'm tired of you,
or I'll be putting it on the screen. But this ring, this is all iced out ring. Like, no cap. Like, the shit is valid. And the chain. And bro, like I don't know how to describe it. This thing is fire, bro. This thing is fire.
Yeah, bro, you gonna wear it, bro?
What you mean?
You gonna wear it?
Yes.
You sure?
Okay, so right, this is the ring, which this ring is fire, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, I just hope, you know what? I'm gonna take a different video. I'll probably put it on the screen.
LRT Production. LRT Production.
Screen so y'all can see the clarity and how it's iced out. And I'm so glad they sponsored me. And this is the rope chain, right? It's like,
What are you doing, bro? Bro, I was looking to see if there was any dust, bro. See if it's clean.
It's a dust bag.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I was cleaning out the dust bag, bro. But you're not gonna. I think you should take that off, so it look better.
Cap.
So this is the rope chain, right? Oh, let me take this one off.
I just said that, bro.
So this is what my rope chain look like. The rope chain they sent me. This is nice. This is fire, bro. Like, I don't want it to slip and fall, but this looks fire. So yeah,
I can't see that, bro.
you can see it, bro.
Yeah. Stuck on your finger? Hold on, bro. I need to be iced out real quick. Hold on.
This is
Let me see that. Let me see that.
iced out. Iced out.
Ice.
My boy.
Hey. Ice. Stop paying me.
But guys,
Bro, stop, bro. Get off of me, bro. Get off of me. Look, y'all didn't go that way, bro.
so alright. So guys, I think I should go check them out. It's Senchi. Probably make this the thumbnail.
It's at a reasonable price.
For ice, it's our reasonable price.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make this the thumbnail. But y'all should really go check them out because they are valid and like they don't sell
Fugazi?
yeah, CZ. Is it CZ? They sell that Sequoia something. I don't know.
I'm trying to sound smart.
Shut up. But guys, this is dope. Like I
I'm
appreciate
keeping
them.
this, bro.
I appreciate
Okay.
them. You know what I'm saying? Sponsoring me. And this video needs to get some thumbs up. Don't forget to like and comment under.
Subscribe if you new.
This is dope, bro. This is dope. Like,
Bro,
I never own a lot of jewelry or wear a lot of jewelry.
Bro, you can't get them to send me some, bro.
I don't know. I'll think about it.
Probably get a girl.
You feel me? Like, even though that was like somewhat a short video, but like I appreciate them sending me this, and I'll be putting their Instagram link down below. I'll be putting it on the screen, their website link. Yeah, go follow or buy. Like they got fire.
You tell me to sponsor.
I definitely said this video was sponsored at the beginning of the video.
Bro, my fault, bro. Like, why you gotta yell?
Didn't I say that? So why are you acting slow for? Maybe it's all that ice. Yes, sir. So I'll be putting this back. Just waiting for outside to open up. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, it's open.
No, it's not.
But outside is open.
Outside is not open.
Yes, it is.
Outside is not open.
How you telling me, bro? They said it. They said it. Not for you, it's not open.
But this is nice packaging and everything. Like everything looks so good, bro. Like I don't own a lot of jewelry or wear a lot of jewelry. It's either I wear like a bracelet
Or chain.
or a chain. But this is a first for me.
Bro, you got any other jewelry that you can show them?
I think so.
Good.
Swing that.
Which one?
The box.
This?
Yeah.
It's under, I think.
So right, I don't own a lot of jewelry. This is like a Tommy Hilfiger. I have like my watch, which is pretty calm. It has some ice in it.
Yeah, bro, why you got a diamond in it?
Mind
You're just
your
laying
business.
around.
Mind your business. Oh, this is blank. That's it. I don't own a lot of jewelry or anything, but there's like
What happened to you? To the What's that? The iced out.
oh, I gave it to my twin.
he gave your twin your bracelet.
Yeah.
And you
That
didn't,
won't be part of the video.
and you didn't give it to me.
Yeah, so I don't put a lot, but that was the video, guys. Thank you for watching. You feel me? And the next video, I'll be reacting to my brother's reaction to my song because I didn't watch it yet. I saw him post it. He said, "Do not watch it," and I was like, "Alright." So in my next video, I'll be reacting to my brother reaction to my song. Why you? What did you do? Why you?
Bro, nothing, bro. It's nothing, bro.
Why you running?
Bro, why you gotta watch it for, though?
Did
Like,
you
why-
say something bad?
Nah, bro. I was like, yo, bro, your song is fire, bro. Like, no cap.
I feel like you're lying.
Nah, look. For the people that watch my video, and if you didn't, he gonna put the link in the bio, in the description. Bro, tell me right. Tell me if I'm right. In the video, I was like, no cap. I did not know he had this in him. That this video is.
Thank you for watching the video. See you next time. We're gonna slide with another banger.
Peace.